What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Voicemod app not working. So if you're trying to use a Voicemod here and it's not working, well, there are going to be a few things that you could try. So first thing that you want to try here is you want to make sure that Voicemod is actually properly set up. So typically speaking here, as you can see, you have the turn voice changer off, which in this case, you go and turn that off or on, which in this case, if you turn this off, as you can see, it's red right now. It means it's not working. So in this case, your voice changer may not work here. So in this case, just click on it so that you enable the voice changer so that you could start using Voicemod here. So yeah, so that's the first step here. But another thing that you need to know here is you need to make sure that your voice volume here is actually or has some volume in it. So if you set this to 0, it means nobody can hear you from your voice changer or the actual microphone you're using right now. So again, just set it to 150 or 75 just to make sure that people can actually hear you. Now, you want to also go to your settings here, and if you do see a pop-up here that says there's a problem detecting your mic, so you would just want to click on retry there, and basically that should automatically solve any issues you may be experiencing here. But yeah, also make sure that your microphone is properly selected, so either choose your microphone here. So again, you want to make sure that you set the correct microphone here, otherwise people will not be able to hear you. Now, also, you may want to go to advanced settings here, and you may want to adjust your noise gate here. Now, if you're using noise gate here, it means that certain noise will not go through your mic if it's below that level. So in this case, maybe set this to an appropriate level. So by default, it's going to be negative 50 dB. So that's the default one here. But if you increase this, make sure that your voice is still, you can still hear your voice. So maybe like turn it down a bit and see if that works. And also, if you're using any other apps out there, like for example, in Discord, you want to go to user settings here, and you want to make sure that under voice and video here, you set the correct mic. So in this case, for input device here, you want to make sure that you select Voicemod. So in this case, we have microphone, virtual, Voicemod virtual audio device here, so that you will be using Voicemod as your mic on your Discord or whatever app you're using. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.